What's up YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. My name is Spencer Berke. I'm here today with my friend Parker. We're gonna do a Car Guys React. Parker has no idea what's going on. I just told him that. I said, hey, come out here to the main room. We're gonna get the laptop and talk about something. But I wanted to find a way to make content for everyone out there. With this whole thing going on in the world, it's kind of hard to go out and make content right now. So this was kind of an idea I had about 3 months ago. And I found this Facebook page called Unnecessary Automobile No Swaps. And what I want you guys to do is, I guess, play along with us and guess what cars you think are swapped together. I went through and I didn't cheat, don't worry. I didn't cheat.
You didn't?
I tried my best not to. I went through, I saved a bunch of photos, and now we're just gonna guess. We got about 30 photos here, so I think we'll just have some fun with it and see what we can do. This first one here, I'm gonna have Parker start off with it because this thing looks so goofy.
Okay, so it's obviously a Lamborghini Huracan from like the door back or like the windshield back, but the front of it is some sort of old GMC truck, and I don't know so GMC weird. Trucks that well, so
I'm gonna say it's a 97 Chevy. I don't even know. Oh, I said Chevy. It's a GMC. How am I that stupid, bro? So it's an old truck mixed with a Huracan. We'll just go with that.
Okay, yeah.
All right, here's the next one. I'm seeing a 599 GTB.
Oh yeah. And a Renault.
That's not Citroen or whatever? I can't even pronounce that, dude.
Dude, these are like foreign cars that I don't know.
That's why I was doing this. I'm like, I don't know half these cars. I try to save the ones that we would know the best, but I thought this was too funny.
I feel like that's a Renault.
But of course I don't know.
Look at the hood right here, how it just lines up. Like,
Dude,
right there's good. You don't even notice anything.
Oh yeah. It just meshes right into the 599 body. It's perfect.
This is my favorite one.
This
is
so
my
obvious,
favorite one, dude.
Dude, that's
Kind of cool.
Alright, so it's
I would rock this, dude.
It's a 991, I think .2, maybe .1, I don't know. But GT3 RS with the Bugatti Chiron.
In like ultraviolet pink.
Yeah, that color is
like
sick.
chrome.
They're like obviously not the same color either.
No, they're completely off. There's like
Yeah.
ultraviolet, that's like chrome pink.
I like this though. This looks really cool.
Yeah, why don't they make this?
It almost looks like a shooting brake hatchback. I don't know. That's probably my favorite one I've seen so far.
That one's pretty cool. Is that a Prius C?
It looks like it's an F40 mixed with a Prius.
I think that's the front of a Prius, but it's like stretched out.
That looks kind of cool, dude. It's weird because the back end is so boxy, then the front is all like futuristic.
It looks like it should be like out of the movie Cars.
Oh, it does, dude.
Like one of the, like it looks like it has a face to it.
It was like 3 in the morning and some guy's like, I'm gonna start a Facebook page and start just swapping all these noses on these cars.
I feel like he just picks 2 random ones and photoshops it.
There were like I went through all of them, there's like 100 of them, and most of them were like foreign cars, which I had no idea about, because I think this page is probably in Europe.
Oh, shit.
Bro, look at the louvers.
F12 TDF with the...
That's a Blazer front end.
Oh, Chevy Blazer.
Yeah.
Damn.
That looks pretty cool. I like how it's so professionally like shot, and then it's just a box Chevy on the front of a Ferrari.
Honestly, all these don't look that bad. Because like the Photoshop is so good on them.
The guy who photoshops these is actually really good.
Yeah.
But you have to wonder, like, what if you roll up to Cars and Coffee in a swap like this? You know, everyone's like, hold on, wait a minute. You got a front end that's probably worth $300 on a $500,000 car. What the
A Miata with the Urus.
Look at the paint match, dude. He's got the sun fade bumper
close.
with the fully paint corrected rear end.
Yeah, I kind of like the pop-ups on the Urus.
I feel like pop-ups should come back. Are there any cars right now that have pop-up headlights?
I know the last one was a Miata.
Yo.
Dude, I don't know what this one is.
Is that the...
It looks like a Ford Falcon.
It's a Ferrari?
Ford Falcon front end with a Ferrari. That's like a GT, I don't even know what, Le Mans car. The front end, I think, has the... Oh. Front end has like the Australian V8 look, like
Dude,
Australian
those
Ford.
headlights are massive.
It does not suit the car. Look at the fender right there. That's crazy.
Why are these all red? I just realized all these cars are red.
Oh.
Damn.
Another box GMC, dude.
Yeah.
A Senna, McLaren Senna mixed with a GMC Suburban.
Dude, the aerodynamics on that thing's just like a brick wall.
Dude, you know McLaren, if they saw this, they'd be like, all right, everything out the window for the front end. Imagine this in a wind tunnel, it'd be flat.
Well, they designed the Senna to be like super aerodynamic.
The whole idea behind the Senna was strictly just the performance, and looks were whatever. As long as it did a fast lap or it was quick, that's all they cared about.
Yo.
Once again, the paint color, bro.
Yeah, that one's really off. but
It's that Prius again, whatever that is. I don't know what Prius
I
that
think
is.
it's the Prius C. Daniel would know.
Look at the
Yeah.
focus on the guy's face just drifting. Oh,
Whoa.
five.
That thing's
Is that a 599 with the Alfa Romeo? What is it called? What's that fake sugar? Stevia?
Stelvio?
Stelvio, whatever this
Stelvio
thing
Pass.
is. Look at the tire tread.
It just looks so like pulled in, like compressed on the front. I like it though. Still. Oh. Car in the back is. What is that?
I don't know. I think it's that car was in Grand. I almost said Grand Theft Auto. Gran Turismo.
I
Too
like
much
it.
headlight
Yeah.
and a front mount intercooler.
Yo. Why does this look so good? Why does that look so good?
That's kind of cool. The Taycan front end, right?
Wow. Yeah.
With a 991 GT3.
I really like that.
That looks
They
kinda
should
cool.
make. I don't know, man. That should be the next facelift for the GT3s.
What a weird looking car. It's
Wow.
strange because the front end is so fuzzy, but then it like the back
It
is all
reminds
crisp.
me of like a slant nose Porsche, like
It
the old
does.
school slant nose
Yeah.
Porsches. Whoa.
Diablo SV.
Is that a 370Z? front
Yeah,
end?
370Z mixed with a Diablo.
Dude, it looks like so unfinished.
All right,
Man.
move on from that one.
Yo, is that a mail truck?
You get your mail so fast in that thing, dude.
Is that a Lancia Stratos or
I
whatever?
think it's a Delta or whatever. Yeah, I don't know my rally cars that well, but imagine you see in like a rally race some mail truck like that just ripping through with all the mail flying out the back.
I like how it still has like the little mirrors up front, so you can see
Rally
around the
car.
corners.
Dude, that thing
Might
is.
be useful.
Dude, that is sick. That is cool.
I
Imagine,
kind of like that.
imagine rolling up to like a car show with that.
Damn.
That's a
Got that.
huge front end.
Brand new Chevy 2500 front end with a Urus.
The Cummins motor with the
Cummins.
huge front end. This is ridiculous, bro.
That's kind of sick. I thought it was like I thought it was put on like a Camaro at first. That'd be
Just
kind
a
of cool for
Urus.
like a SUV for Chevy to make that.
That would be sick. Is it mice or moose?
Mice?
Mooses? Meese.
No, I don't think that's it.
Oh, that one's not good.
Yeah, it doesn't work at all.
VW Bug with a Supra. We'll move on from that one.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, why? There could be so many better
What?
cars for that. The execution on that was poor.
So you're looking at an Audi Q7 front end with an Aventador SV.
Wow. It's just so stretched.
It looks warped.
Oh,
What is that? RX-8 with a.
that kind of works.
Is that the new 675 or 765? Whatever?
765 LT.
Dude,
Mazda RX-8. Kind of like it.
that's cool.
Yo.
That is cool. It's
Yeah,
a
that one also kind of works.
Ford Fiesta mixed with a McLaren P1.
Hey.
Miata with Enzo.
It's terrible.
Stupid.
Yo, that kind of
what?
works too.
It has
This actually,
MX-5.
I don't know why, but this actually looks like it kind of looks like some sort of like prototype race car.
I was thinking like something you see in Gran Turismo.
Yeah, honestly, it's not too bad because like the fog lamp covers like kind of match
Yeah.
like the different black pieces.
Dude, that one's sick. Murcielago SV
With hood is way too big.
it looks like a catfish.
It does.
That's that's Mazda Miata front end with LP670 SV.
It's kind of clean though.
I think it's cool. It looks like a fish. It looks like it should be
There's
like,
too much,
eating
there's too much
something.
hood. This like the front bumper needs to come up a little bit more.
Imagine driving it and you're just looking straight down.
Dude, that would scrape so hard.
Oh my god. It's like that thing. It looks like a vacuum. This one's actually really funny. I like this one. That guy's just all casual.
Kind of works. Honestly, like putting the American car front ends on a Urus.
Escalade mixed with a Urus.
So that's like a 2004 Escalade.
That's the
so
one you get
old.
in Need for Speed, like the old ones. Guys all just
Yeah.
like, yeah, I'm catching air in this Urus Escalade. Your Escalade? Your Escalade. Urus?
I'm not.
Yes, man. That
Whoa.
one's so sick. Try to guess that
Damn.
one.
Well, yeah, it's the Maserati MC12.
Maserati?
Maserati. But I don't know what the front car
Is that a Bel Air?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe. I don't know old cars like that. It just looks so goofy. And that's like that's the equivalent of me doing a GT4 front lip. But it's like I got the big chrome bumper. You know that thing's like
Yeah.
400 pounds. That's cool.
Whoa.
That's cool. Ford GT mixed with a Supra. The photo's beautiful.
Yeah.
The photo's amazing. But the front end is just 90s mixed with 2020.
This gives me like so many ideas. I'm gonna start front end swapping cars. Is there
gotta-
any back end?
It's just the front end. That's why they call it the no swaps.
Oh, is that what it's
Yeah. Like, is there anything on the side? There's no swaps, man. Yeah, another mail truck, bro. Mixed with is that a GT2 Evo, like an old one? Oh, those wheels are sick.
That's clean though.
Imagine you roll up to your job on the first day. It's like, here's your mail truck, and you get this thing.
It has like BBS wheels on it.
NSX mixed with a Type R.
Kind of works. It kind of just looks like the NSX front end.
Mm-hmm.
Like the headlights are very similar.
It suits it.
Yeah.
It is, the hood is too short.
Yeah. Could work though. Oh,
That's a legit catfish with a Camaro front end.
Dude, they do look the exact same. Hold on, why'd you skip over the catfish so fast?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro.
I was taking
Watch
that
the catfish. Enjoy it. Absorb
Wow.
that.
Amazing.
You absorbed it enough?
Yeah.
All right, good. Moving on. That looks cool. That suits it really well.
Yeah. What is that? A Jaguar body with a
Yeah.
Range Rover?
Not the F-Pace, but maybe, I don't know.
Something pace?
That one works really well. It just looks like such a tiny little, like, British car.
Italian though.
Italian.
Alfa Romeo.
Romero?
Ferrari.
Alfa Romero.
Romeo.
Little Mayo. Little Mayo, the alien guy. Sick, dude. That one's cool.
Whoa. The body kit on this is weird, but I feel like the 46 M3 front end does kind of work on this car.
I think that's a M3 GTR.
Oh.
That's my favorite one, dude.
Wow.
It's
Damn.
a Pista mixed with
What even
Alfa.
is that?
Alpha something?
I guess.
I don't know what SUV is, but the front end
like
is
the
like
base model.
nose diving in.
Base model with a Pista. That's clean.
Cool.
Super fresh. Oh,
That's a big front end, bro.
Dodge on Dodge.
It's a SRT4 Neon with a huge front mount intercooler on a Viper SRT 10.
Dude, look at the Photoshop on the wheel.
Yo, check out the
gave
fender
up.
line.
He
Halfway
gave
through,
up.
he's like, no, I don't want to finish this one. Parker, overall thoughts of the front end swap Facebook page?
I'm gonna pick my favorite one.
Okay. I don't know what else to do right now because it's hard to film out in the wild.
This is my favorite one. I think Porsche should come out with something like this that has those cool like lines in the hood. What was your favorite?
This one.
What's your favorite?
Dude, the Porsche GT3 mixed with a Chiron.
The
that
more I
is
look at it,
dope.
the weirder it looks.
It just looks so strange.
I daily that for sure.
I would drift this thing, dude.
Oh, for real?
Hell yeah.
Damn.
I would do 4-wheel drive donuts in it. Should we do something entertaining? You want to race these real quick? Ready? Oh! Alright, we gotta end this video. Dude, it's my computer. Oh, yo, careful. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Parker, 10 seconds, talk about our podcast. Go.
We started a podcast recently. We're already on episode 10 or 11. Forget which one.
10.
But
I'm editing 11 and 12 today.
That's right.
and
That's right.
all about cars basically, but we kind of talk about some business stuff, just life
Lifestyle.
stuff in general.
Oh.
Yep.
That was
And link will be in the description below.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
See ya.
Peace.